Good morning students. Today we study again chapter 5 part 5 factorization. What do you mean factorization? A factorization is a process of expressing a number as a product of prime number. A factorization is a process of expressing a number as a product of prime number. Factorization. First we prime factorization. You know what are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43. The 47 are the prime numbers. In previous class we discussed how to find the prime numbers. Today we study factorization. First we study the prime factorization. What are the prime factorization of 48? First we write this way. First this number, first you check this number is divisible by 2. What is the test of divisibility? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 come in ones place. That number is divisible by 2. Here 8 is come in ones place. Therefore, 48 is divisible by 2. Here, then first you divide this number in rough notebook. How many times gone? 2 times, 4, then 8 come in downside, 4 times, 8, what is 24, okay. Again you check this number is again divisible by 2. Yes, again you write 12. Again you check this number is again divisible by 2. Yes, here 6. Again you check this number is divisible by 2. Yes, then 3. Again you check this number is again divisible by 2. No. Next prime number is 3. Again this number is 1. Up to 1 you get up 1, then you continue this process. The what? Only you divide the prime numbers. Now our answer is 48 is equal to, you take these numbers 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Then 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 3 ja 48. You get the same number. You not get the same number, your answer is wrong. Next question. Write the prime factorization of 60. Prime factorization of 60. Again you divide this. First you check this number is divisible by 2. Yes. Then you write how many times? 30 times. Again you check this number is divisible by 2. Yes. Again 15. Again you check this number is divisible by 2. No. Next prime number is 3. This number is divisible by 3. You say the table of 3. How many times gone? 5 times. Again you check this number is divisible by 3. No. Next prime number 5. This number is divisible by 5. Okay. Then 60 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, that is 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 5 ja 60. You understand this? Okay, one more question. 36. Write the prime factorization of 36. First again you write this number. First you check this number is divisible by 2. Yes. You divide in the rough notebook. Okay. Then 18. Again you check. Here ones place 8 come. This number is divisible by 2. Yes. How many times? 9 times. Okay. Next again you check. This number is again divisible by 2? No. Next prime number is 3. This number is divisible by 3? Yes. How many times? 3 times. Then 3, 1. Now 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 is equal to 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36. You understand the prime factorization? Now how to find the HCF on prime factorization method? Question: find the HCF of which method? Prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. HCF means highest common factor. We follow this method in HCF. Yes, first question 16 and 24. First find the HCF of which method? Prime factorization method, using prime factorization method. Using prime factorization method. Using prime factorization method. Look, first we write here 16, then here 24. Okay. Now, first 16 is divisible by 2. Yes. How many times? 8 times. Again you check. 8 is divisible by 2. Yes. How many times? 4 times. Again 2, 2. Again you 2, 1. Next 24. 2 is divisible by 24. Yes. 12. Again 2. 6. Again 2. 3. Again. Then 3, 1. Now next step. 16 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Then 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now first you arrange 16 is equal to all the factors. Then next 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now we circle the common, this 2. Okay. Next 2. Then next 2 here, there is no here. You don't take. Now 3 here, or there is no 3 here. You don't take. Then HCF is equal to, you take 1, 2 in the group of first group. You take 1, 2. This is 2 into. Next this group you take 1. Then next you take 1. Then multiply this. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. 8 is your HCF. One more question. Find the HCF of 36 and 48. Find the HCF of HCF of 36 and 48. Again you find the prime factorization 36 and 48. Okay. Then first you find the 2, how many times gone? 18, again 2, 9, 2 is divisible by 9, no, next prime number 3 times, again 3, 1 time. Okay. Here 48 to 24, again to 12, again to 6, again to 3, then 3, 1. Okay. Next 36 is equal to this, you take this 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Then 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. Now this 2, then this 2, now this 3, this 3. Okay. HCF is equal to, you take 1 2 in this group, again this group you take 1 2, again this 3 you take this group. Then HCF is equal to 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. You understand this HCF? Again one more question. Find the HCF of 20 and 30. Find the HCF of 20 and 30. Again you do here 20, here 30. First you check 2 is divisible by 20. Yes. 10 times. Then again 5. Next 5 is a prime number. Then here 15. Again 2 is divisible by 15. No. Again you take next prime number is 3. How many times? 5 times. Then you take 5. Okay. Then you write 20 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5. 30 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. Now circle the common. This 2, then this 5. Then HCF is equal to 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Understand you HCF and prime factorization? Okay, thank you. You do these questions in notebook, okay?